Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to stay motivated during your studies. Whether you are in high school, college or pursuing further education, staying motivated can be a challenge. So, let's dive in and explore some tips and strategies to help you stay on track. Tip number 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards staying motivated during your studies is to set clear goals. Think about what you want to achieve and create a plan to get there. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks and set realistic deadlines for each one. By having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish, you will be more motivated to work towards your goals. Tip number 2. Create a study schedule. Creating a study schedule can help you stay motivated and focused. Allocate specific times for studying each day and stick to them. This will help you avoid procrastination and ensure that you are making progress towards your goals. Tip number 3. Find a study group. Studying with a group of like-minded individuals can be a great way to stay motivated. Join a study group or create one yourself. This will not only help you stay accountable, but you will also have a support system to turn to when you need help or encouragement. Tip number 4. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself for your hard work can be a great way to stay motivated. After completing a task or reaching a milestone, treat yourself to something you enjoy. This can be as simple as taking a break to watch a movie or indulging in your favorite snack. Celebrating your accomplishments will help you stay motivated and committed to your studies. Tip number 5. Stay positive. Staying positive is key to staying motivated. Avoid negative self-talk and focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Surround yourself with positivity, whether that's through inspirational quotes, supportive friends, or uplifting music. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the learning process, so don't give up if you encounter obstacles along the way. So, there you have it. 5 tips for staying motivated during your studies. Remember to set clear goals, create a study schedule, find a study group, reward yourself, and stay positive. With these strategies in mind, you will be able to stay motivated and achieve your academic goals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more motivation and education content.